And we got candles here. Whoa. And wallets. Also by Samantha. Oh, we got. I wonder if you can wear this to work. It's a laser. Oh, skirt. Skirt, probably like for maybe school. for Hogwarts is but I'm stuck. Oh, see what I'm saying? We're gonna go explore other places. This must be a fitting area. Nope, it's the cashier. All right. Oh, whoa! Not like a bracelet. Little earrings and necklaces. Cool. Oh, I'm gonna check out. Oh, these are keychains, key rings. Kind of look a little bit like other stuff. A book Quidditch keychain. That's nice. How much do keychains run? Just whoa, it's $13. 1,300 yen. Give or take the exchange rate. I'm gonna go explore. Wow. Teacup. Limited edition. 120 bucks. Whoa, weird necklaces that look like cookies. Happy birthday, Harry. I don't remember this. Anyone remember this? Man, everybody loves Harry Potter. We're in Tokyo Paul. Oh, and what's over here? Oh, more creepy clothes. Oh my god, they've got a wand sword. I want that. Sold out. Oh my god, check out the wand sword. Do not touch. It's Godric of Gryffindor's wand sword. Wow, that looks beautiful. Sold out. Of course it is. Cauldron. It's a little mini cauldron. Very heavy. Whoa. Maybe a light up cauldron? Harry Potter collection. Made in China. Of course it is. A little button. Whoa, I wonder if it lights up. Wow, it flashes green. So that's kind of cool. Hi, okay. It's Snake. Snake cups. A bunch of Snake cups. Wow. Anyone like Snape? I know some friends that do. How much is this? I want 18 bucks. Take that is cool. Snape kind of was a good guy in the end, I guess. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What? I know, right? I just pressed it. Yeah, it's heavy too. Look at this. Whoa. It's a nice water bottle. Collected. Huh? What?
Snake.
It's metal. Oh no, no, it's glass. Dumbledore. How much are these? Can you show?
34.
Cool. 34.
30.
Wow. Oh, spider. Is that? Oh, I thought it was spider. Not sure what that is. It's like a creepy hand. Pants. Let's keep going.
Did you see the map?
Map? What map?
Like
Whoa. What is this? The dark mark? It's basically it feels like a wooden plate.
Oh, dark one.
You know it?
I think
No
that's
price.
The army or the army.
No price.
The board.
Dark mark. I see. And you got a dark mark hat. Are we part of Voldemort's force? Whoa, wizard chess set. It's probably not the $500 one I just saw. Holy moly, look at this cup. Death Eaters. Oh, I think people would love this cup. No? You want? 24 bucks? Okay, we'll check out the stuff now. What? Oh my god, it's the map of the moving map. Yo, people want this. Probably moves in like little footsteps. The Martyrs map. How much is this? Oh.
It's like a 30.
Huh? How much is it? 34 bucks? 34 bucks to see everything going on in Hogwarts. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Yo, and they even got this Martyrs map book. Notebook. Wow.
It has a book right.
How much is that? Leather cover. Price tag.
It's like
30 bucks.
Yeah, $25.
Cool. We're giving take the exchange rate. Whoa! Giant snake, bigger snake. Wow, that's kind of creepy actually. You should probably scare your mom with that. How much is that? 32 bucks, cool. Alright, let's go to the other room now. Wow, look at the books check. And look at this. Whoa. Hmm? That's a key ring?
With milk chocolate.
What is it? I don't remember. Do you
It
remember?
moves.
Oh, cool.
Like
Comes alive? Cool. So makes you want to watch Harry Potter again. What's that?
every flavor of beans.
Ew. Like the stinky bean, the grass bean?
Or blueberries.
Wow, that kind of work. Whoa, books. What is this, like a picture book?
I think so.
Oh. Let me show one page. Oh my god, Japanese. Time to study Japanese. How much is that? Which version is this?
It's like a $30.
$30. Okay, what version
It's
is
the
this?
first one.
The first Harry Potter book in the big book.
First, second, third.
First, second, third. Is that right? Fourth. Okay, wow. Lots of books, bookmarks. It's like a very tiny book. Oh, it's Dobby. How much is this? Dobby bookmark is $10 or less. Alright, so those books, all the books. You can buy the books here.
This is
which book?
Japanese version of like a
Wow.
cover.
How much is that?
Mysterious.
That looks heavy as munchies.
Like
$22.
$20, 22.
Alright, wow. All the Japanese versions. Look a little different, huh? Totally. I don't even recognize them anymore. But, very cool. Wow, this place is huge. Huh? What's that? The guide? The
official guide.
Guide to what? To this place?
Yeah, displays.
To the show guide to the Warner Bros. Studio tour. Where we are, we're in the gift shop. They even have a bag. Looks like a Walmart bag. $6.50. That's a nice Walmart bag.
Once you
Huh?
one,
Wands over there for sale again? That's cool.
every type of
Every type of wand. Every type of wand. Whoa, we missing some wand? I just showed a lot of wands.
Did you show how many?
Come on, no, where? Let's show. Oh my god, let's check. Oh, you can personalize your wand. But that's what it said on that whited out page. Oh my god, it's like all these wands. What is this? Like it's glowing inside. What's that? Huh? Whoa, this is Hermione? Cool.
This is wrong.
Ron's wand? Yeah, look at that. How much one? Voldemort's wand? Show. How much is it? Looks like bone. Cool. That was cool. Hold it and Hermione showed it. 46 Voldemort's wand? Wow, Voldemort's wand somewhere in the middle. It's not the most expensive.
Dumbledore has a
Huh?
weird. It's dumb.
Weird?
Yeah.
This looks really like expensive. Like Dumbledore's wand, obviously, you know, he's impressive.
It's
So.
very long.
He also seems kind of rich. Oh my god! Looks like a ruby chopstick. Yeah, who's Ron? Is Safina? Oh god. Pickery, 46.
Oh,
Huh?
it has a like a.
Yeah. Is it like a Death Eater? I showed it before. Death Eater's snake. Yeah. And then any other one? Lord Voldemort I missed. Anyone else? Oh.
Ginny Weasley.
Huh? Ginny. Oh, I have not shown this one. Ginny Weasley, 46.
Younger sister.
Is that the sister that married Harry?
Yeah.
Looks kind of. Ooh.
No more.
It's kind of white out, hard to see. Ooh. Ooh.
What?
Ah, nice.